Looking to replace an aging door entry system? Why not upgrade instead? Add value with benefits like remote management, intercom to mobile calling, and mobile access. All while reusing existing cabling or going fully wireless. Install an entry panel at the main door and connect it to our switch. In apartments, install the 2N Clip 2-wire IP. Connect them to the same switch over the wiring that's already there. Easily daisy-chain to support as many apartments as needed. Prefer wireless? Connect the entry panel to the cloud over 4 or 5G and install 2N Indoor View Wi-Fi panels. Or skip the hardware and use residents' smartphones as virtual panels. What else makes this a real upgrade? Secure common areas with IP readers, connected to our switch or directly to our router. Residents will enjoy free mobile access in the same My2N app used for video calls. And admins can manage remotely via our free online platform to cut costs and response time. And the best part? You can mix all these options to create the ultimate hybrid retrofit solution. Don't just replace, upgrade with 2N.